By how much % surface roughness is reduced if we use proper dielectric flow? A 25, B 50, C 75, D 100. The correct answer is 50. What are the tolerance values obtained by machining using EDM? A 10 mm, B 15 mm, C 25 mm, D 40 mm. The correct answer is 25 mm. How much extra tolerances are achieved when we choose proper variables? A 5 mm, B 10 mm, C 15 mm, D 20 mm. The correct answer is 5 mm. What are the values of the current densities used in ECB process? A 0.010.7 a cm2, B 0.17 a cm2, C 114 a cm2, D 2142 a cm2. The correct answer is 0.17 a cm2. What can be the concentration of sodium chloride used in ECB? A 0.10.5 gl, B 15 gl, C 1050 gl, D 100-500 gl. The correct answer is 100-500 gl. Using of a mate electrode in electrode discharge machining, the surface roughness of material. A increases, B decreases, C enhances, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is decreases. What happens to the surface roughness if oxygen gas is introduced in the gap? A increases, B decreases, C decrease and then increase, D all of the mentioned. The correct answer is decreases. What is the full form of ECB in the advanced machining processes? A electrochemical buffing, B electrochemical blasting, C electron cluster blasting, D electron cluster briefing. The correct answer is electrochemical buffing. Compared to conventional mechanical buffing, electrochemical buffing is A slower process, B faster process, C same speed process, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is faster process. Which of the following electrolytes are used ECB process? A sodium chloride solution, B sodium nitrate solution, C sodium chloride nitrate solution, D none of the mentioned. The correct answer is sodium chloride nitrate solution.